Right leg out to the side. I'm reaching down all the way to the floor, just pushing that leg behind and side. Try to straighten the leg. It's in line as like a lunge and then slightly to the side. Now you don't have to come staying low as you push. So the majority of the weight is still, we're not going to step in. So come up, can you come up on your tippy toe? If not, then just come to your and coming back up, keeping the weights close to your legs, flat back. And up, really slow and controlled here. Keeping that weight as if it's grazing your shin, pulse into it. It's almost like a forward leaning lunge and it's up and tap. So you need to find
shoulder gotta chill. Yeah. My best friend, my chick. My best friend go whip. My best friend, she pull up with a. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing no speed.
With one weight, this is what it looks like. Maybe you let it hang, up and down. Circle to the front, around and back. Obviously with bend and push back. Mine's staying in place for now. So I'm coming up. Otherwise you can keep it above the knee. And I'm pushing up as hard as I can against it. This is killer. We're on the other side for inner thighs next. Cross. Come in, knees together, open. Extend, come in, knees together, open.